So usually when a user wants to 3D print something, they will either download an object from the internet, or they will create the object themselves. So I will show you what it's like to create an object in a program called Autodesk Fusion 360. So I think for this I will just make a 20mm cylinder like this, and then I will extrude that circle 20mm high. Alright, so we've got this cylinder here, but now what we need to do is export this so that you can export your file to a STL file, which is then able to be put in a slicing program that will be able to then 3D print either 3D print your object or convert it into a G-code file, which can be uploaded to our app. And in this case, we will upload this cylinder to our application. So I will call this cylinder.stl, and I will replace the old one. And yeah, from here, what we do is we will open up a program called Ultimaker Cura. This is the slicing program that will be able to actually load our file and then upload it. This program already has my printer's profile loaded and set up so that I can print with the material that I have in the printer already. And so what I'm going to do is open that STL file we just made, this cylinder right here. And what I can do is I need to rotate this, and then we should be good to save it to a file. So yeah, so there we've got our cylinder facing upright, and then it'll start slicing this and preparing it for the printer. So I'll save this to a file, and I'll save it to here, and from here we should be good. So yep, so it saved our file, and now we will go to my software to actually print the cylinder. Alright, so now we have the profile page loaded up pretty much where we left off with the live demonstration. And when we click on the printer, you can actually see that the status is operational now. And I preheated the nozzle and bed because those take a while to heat up. But what we can do now is choose that cylinder that we converted into a G-code file, open that up, and then upload it. And then the page will reload because we designed it so that it would reload when we upload a file. And then from there you can actually choose it from the files to select to print. And then when we start the print, you saw that it said it was preparing the job. Now it's back to operational. And once it starts printing, we can actually show you that it is printing on the printer. Alright, so now you can see that the printer is printing, and you can see the printer actually printing the cylinder right there. That's what the printer looks like. And then, so we've got this USB connection that is connected to the module right here at this USB hub. That USB hub also has an Ethernet connection, which is used as our local network connection to our printer. And then also we've got this USB connection that connects to our module to supply it power. Alright, so the cylinder just finished, and we can pop it off the bed now, and yeah, this is what it looks like.